Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video I just want to talk about that the other days I made a video that talking about suggested video is really important for you who run out of ideas when you uploading on YouTube, but perhaps or it might you couldn't find your suggested video. Actually it's not showing nothing here. I will show you how to check your suggested video. So you go to your YouTube studio. I will open this particular channel, and then let's say I want to see that another video that already has traction. Let's say this one not bad, 137 views, and then you click this analytics and then click on this reach. Okay, after this reach you can see this videos has the 3.9k impressions, which is not all of them from suggested video, maybe perhaps from this from browse feature, and then direct or unknown, other YouTube feature, channel pages, and then YouTube search. And you can scroll down as you can see content suggesting this video. Not enough traffic data to show this report. What you have to do, you just click this one, just check it first for you. See, even if it says that nothing to shown, but actually there are many suggested video on this particular video. And as you can see, the video 0 views to this video, 0 views gained from the suggested video, but you able to search the impression. You can sort this impression, and the logic is this video, all of these video, as you can see, is suggested to my video. It might be related to my videos. So if it's related to my video, which means same audience, or I don't know, the algorithm read my video suggested to these videos. So this is really important for you to scroll one by one, crawling it one by one. It perhaps you could get insight to make another videos in the future, or you can see many videos maybe closely related to your video, make it again, and simply you offering another angle from this suggested video. On my experience, it could be give you gain more views and more realistic than you just thinking out of nowhere from the thin air. You're thinking, okay, I'm creating this video, okay, that's good. But if you follow these steps, you see your suggested videos, and you're able to analyze by logic. So we follow the algorithm of YouTube. So that's how to see the suggested video if shown nothing. I hope it works for you. I hope you can practice by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.